Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well. So the school review series has resumed. So the any school you want to get reviewed by me, comment down below. I will try to review that school as soon as possible. So in the today's video, we are going to review the most demanded school, MIT Public School. So let's go to the screen. So we are on our computer screen. Let's start the review. MIT Public School, Meerut. So this is their logo and this is their building on the main road, main building. Establishment की बात करें तो the school was founded in 2013. It's been now 8 years. तो school is stable now. Mode of admission की बात करें an entrance test based on the previous class knowledge followed by interview with friends like all the other schools, and they don't ask much in interview. They just ask your habits, what's your aim, etc. So interview is easy. Talking about the board is CBSE board. And how to reach the school? The school is located in front of Raslam Academy, outskirts of Ganganagar, Meerut. These are some important points which you should know before taking admission in school. So talking about the first point, teacher to student ratio is good when compared to other schools in Meerut. So there are like 35 to 40 students in one section, not more than 40 students in one section. The school is much underrated as compared to ground reality. Same हाल है सब स्कूल के जैसा. There are 3-4 sections for each classes till class 1st to 6th, and around 3 sections for class 9 to 10th, and 1 or 2 sections for class 11 and 12th. So जैसे जैसे classes बढ़ रही हैं वैसे वैसे section घट रहे हैं, because the school is not much for the senior classes. Not good teachers are present now in this school for our senior classes. There are around 2000 plus students in the school which are studying now. The school is co-ed. स्कूल टाइमिंग से बात करें तो समर्स में 7:20 to 2:30 एंड विंटर्स में 8:30 to 2:20. There is a proper school uniform which you have to buy from the authorized dealers, and the dealer of this school is located in Agulen, Meerut. So talking about the fee structure, the fees they take and the facilities they provide are not worth. So let's see the fees. If you are a new student and you are taking admission in class 9th or 10th, then it will cost you around total of 62,000, and plus extra expenses like transport, books, dress, then it will cost you around 1,05,000. And if you are an old student, like if you have completed 1 year there and then you came in class 9th or 10th, then it will cost you around 54,000 for the fees, and plus books and transport, it will cost you around 70 to 80,000. Talking about the infrastructure, here the infrastructure is above average. There are 2 computer labs, namely primary and secondary. Computer labs are good, they are fully air conditioned, and if there are like 100 pieces, so around 90 pieces would be working well. So computer teacher here is very famous. जो computer teacher थे अब नहीं रहे यहाँ पे. The computer teacher had left here, which would जो entertain करते सबकी क्वारी, and their new teacher has arrived, but I don't know how that teacher is. Just let's see how that goes. म्यूजिक रूम की बात करें तो ऑल द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट, लाइक पियानो, फ्लूट, ड्रम, गिटार, सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स प्रेजेंट हैं. और म्यूजिक टीचर की बात करें तो म्यूजिक टीचर भी काफ़ी कुछ एंटरटेन कर देते हैं. टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, सिंगिंग, ही विल टीच यू एवरीथिंग. एंड द वन थिंग which is different about the music teacher of this school is that music teachers in every other school will teach you how to play instruments, how to sing, but no, in class 11th and 12th when we take music as optional subject, nobody teaches, and if they teach for kaam chalo. But the music teacher in this school teaches regularly, take every class which is assigned to it. So this is good about this school. So ये इनके कंप्यूटर लैब की फोटो है. दिस इज प्राइमरी कंप्यूटर लैब, and the other computer lab is just beside this room, and this is music room. This music room is located in the basement, so every instrument are present in the school, and you can locate me here. आर्ट रूम की बात करें तो स्पेशियस आर्ट रूम है, क्लासेस वीकली कंडक्ट होती हैं, बट द स्टेटस ऑफ आर्ट इज नॉट मच गुड. If you are interested, then you have to go to the teacher and ask for the upcoming competitions or any inter-school competition. They will not call you, you have to go yourself and show your talent if you are interested. So art of status of art is not much good here. लाइब्रेरी की बात करें तो काफ़ी बड़ी लाइब्रेरी है which can accommodate about 65 plus students at a time. A lot of books are here and time of two books can be issued at one time, and strict rules are there. If you don't submit the book on the time, fine is assigned to you and you have to pay the fine to issue the next book. स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज़ की बात करें तो सारे स्पोर्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं, सारे चीज़ें अवेलेबल हैं खेलने के लिए। क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल, बैडमिंटन सब कुछ अवेलेबल है यहाँ पे। एंड इंडोर गेम्स में भी चेस सब कुछ अवेलेबल है। एंड स्कूल पार्टिसिपेट भी करवाता था अब तक क्लस्टर्स में, बट अब 2 साल से सब कुछ चीज़ें बंद है। इनका जो टीचर्स हैं स्पोर्ट्स के वो भी काफ़ी इधर उधर होते रहते हैं, कोई आ रहा है कोई जा रहा है। सो कोई भी अब तक एक स्टेबल टीचर इन्हें नहीं मिल पाया। इससे 2-3 साल 4 साल पहले तक एक टीचर थे, वो स्टेबल थे काफ़ी टाइम से, बट नाउ ही हैज़ लेफ्ट। सो द स्कूल इज स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर द स्पोर्ट्स टीचर, बट नाउ रिसेंटली अ न्यू टीचर हैज़ joined who is a national basketball player. So might be the status of sports improve now. You can expect if the teacher remains, so might be the status of sports improve. Canteen is present in school. Everything is available in that canteen, but at a little higher price. Bus facilities provided by school. Buses have conditions of buses are good. Buses have GPS and proper driver and conductor is provided in the school. But the fee, but the fees of the bus facility is very high in this school, and but they provide you as much facility as they take the fees of the school, fees of the bus. Talking about the physics, chemistry and bio labs, they are fully furnished and in good conditions. All the equipments are present which are required at the time of practicals. And a proper sick room is there. 3-4 beds are present if any time a student falls sick. So for that, it can be provided at the time. Inter-school, inter-house competitions are held for the outdoor sports. As I have said, these are not held from last 2 years, but there are possibilities that now they will start again. Proper basement is there for celebrating any event. Yes, a good thing about the school is if हर स्कूल में ओपन ग्राउंड होते हैं, ओपन जगह होती है सेलिब्रेशन के लिए, बट दिस स्कूल हैव एनी वन एक्स्ट्रा थिंग, दे हैव बेसमेंट फॉर सेलिब्रेटिंग स्मॉल इवेंट्स और बिग इवेंट्स। सारे इवेंट्स हम सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं, एंड इफ द वेदर इज नॉट गुड रेनिंग दे कैन सेलिब्रेट देयर। So all in all, they have good infrastructure, but fees they are taking a very large amount of fees. Talking about the academics, for kindergarten students there is a complete branch. Another branch, the kindergarten is located on the ground floor. हम teachers की बात करें तो some teachers are very much experienced, but some teachers are same इसका opposite. But the thing about the school is student don't face discrimination. मतलब don't face नहीं कह सकते, हर स्कूल में डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है, बट कंपेयर टू अदर स्कूल्स देयर इज वेरी लेस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन। हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज रिजल्ट्स की बात करें तो क्लास 10th का थी 96.8 लास्ट ईयर, एंड क्लास 12th की थी 98.3। तो रिजल्ट सिंस अभी 8 साल ही है स्कूल को, तो उस हिसाब से रिजल्ट्स काफ़ी अच्छे निकाल रहे हैं स्कूल। 75 अटेंडेंस का भी है इनका, 75% अटेंडेंस इज मैंडेटरी, एंड ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट्स विच आर अवेलेबल आर फॉर द क्लास 11th and 12th, मैथ्स फॉर कॉमर्स ओनली, म्यूजिक, आर्ट्स एंड फिजिकल फॉर बोथ कॉमर्स एंड साइंस, and there are only 2 streams available till now, which is commerce and science. Science के 2 subsections PCB and PCM. I have also attached some results of this school which was of last year's. So highest percentage of PCM is 94.8, and for medical is 97.2, and for the commerce highest is 96.8 as I mentioned above. These are of class 12th, highest is of 94.2 and the highest is 96.8. Talking about extracurricular activities, बहुत सारी extracurricular activities कराते हैं. The good thing about a school is that they make periods for societies. Means if you have interest in any of the extracurriculars like skating, music, singing, dancing, they provide extra 2 periods in 1 week. These activities are held on Tuesday and Thursday, but taking part in these periods are limited till class 9. If you are studying in above class 9, then forget about this. Okay, so जो societies के period होते हैं, they are like 50 minutes long, which is much for learning. There is a dedicated shooting range. Also, Very less schools in Meerut have this. A proper shooting range is present in the teacher, and proper teachers are assigned for that. Swimming classes are also held for boys and girls separately. Most of the festivals are celebrated in assembly, and for national festivals, there are some dedicated days which are celebrated. A unique thing which this school have is elections for the head boy, head girl, vice head boy, vice head girl. So they have dedicated elections, full proof, full pure elections for head girl and vice head boy, head girl. First, you have to be eligible to be get elected for that post, and then students above class 6 can vote for them. So this is something unique about this school. These are some photos of the investiture ceremony. Talking about the annual day is celebrated every year. Various programs of dance, achievements to the achievements of students are honored here, and annual sports meets it all right. But as I have earlier mentioned, these things have stored from last 2 years. I don't know why, just because I think that there was a change in the post of principal here, so something is there. I don't know why these things are not happening from last 2 years, but they used to happen before 2 years and might continue now just because also COVID happened. So they can now start. Talking about the discipline, schools have strict rules regarding discipline. Punishment is also given. Even in big cases, suspension is also given to the student. But बात वही है कि जैसे संगत में रहोगे वैसे ही होगा. Drugs related things are not here negligible, and normally the crowd is of average class here, so there is chance might be. And talking about the violence, there is very less violence in the school, and I have been studying in this school for last 4 years, so I have not seen a very much big trouble happening in the school. But the small I have seen some small violence happening, but that are negligible. मतलब इतने बड़ा कुछ नहीं हुआ था. Finally, my verdict: if you are from Mawana or if you are from Meerut and your parents can afford this school, and you can trust this school, as this school is just emerging, खाली 8 साल ही में अभी, और ट्रस्ट कर सकते हो स्कूल को, तो you can join. But if you are living far from Mawana or far from Meerut near this school, then I don't recommend you, because बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम ट्रैवलिंग में वेस्ट हो जाएगा, तो अपने ऊपर कुछ टाइम नहीं दे पाओगे. और अगर आप मवाना में गंगानगर में रहते हैं, तो गंगानगर में और भी बहुत सारे स्टैब्लिश स्कूल है जो 20-25 साल से चल रहे हैं. तो एक बार अगर आप एडमिशन ले रहे हैं तो उधर भी देख सकते हैं. बट अगर आप अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं और ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं स्कूल को, तो यू मे गो हियर ऑल्सो. एंड बट फैसिलिटीज़ भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जैसे मैंने कहा बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसमें यूनिक है. इलेक्शंस होते हैं, शूटिंग रेंज प्रेजेंट है, सोसाइटीज़ अलग से मिलती है अपने एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर डेवलप करने के लिए. वही बात है, अभी 8 साल ही हुए हैं, उस चीज़ को आप देख सकते हो. डोंट ट्राई टू ज्वाइन एनी स्कूल just by its overhyped or underrated popularity, and popularity is not equals to ground reality. So this was this about this school. So now it's wrap up. Thank you.